In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a hexagonal grid in Figma using a plugin. Figma is a fantastic collaborative interface design tool that many designers globally use for creating interfaces like websites, apps, and more. If you're here, you might be looking to add a bit more uniqueness to your design by implementing a hexagonal grid. Let's dive right in. To get started first, head over to the Figma website. Just open your preferred web browser and go to figma.com. Once there, look for the login button, which typically resides in the top right corner of the page. Click on it and sign in with your credentials. In case you don't have an account yet, creating one is quite straightforward and well worth the couple of minutes it takes, as it opens up a host of design capabilities. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on Figma's home dashboard. It's a central hub where you can easily access all your recent projects and shared files. Now navigate over to the section labeled Design. Clicking on this will take you into your design workspace where all the magic happens. Next, we need to focus on searching for a specific plugin, crucial for our task today. Near the top of the screen, you should see a search bar. Here, type in grid to search for plugins that can assist us in creating our hexagonal pattern. It's this step that expands Figma's basic functionalities to exactly what we need. After running the search from the list of results, find and click on the plugin called Off-Grid. This handy tool specializes in creating geometric grid patterns beyond the typical square or rectangular shapes, offering us the comprehensive hexagonal options we're aiming for. Once you've located the off-grid plugin, select it by clicking on the Run button. This action essentially activates the plugin within your current project, and you will notice the interface provides options tailored for hexagonal grid creation. Now, ensure you adjust the plugin settings to your liking, where you can play around with variables such as grid size, spacing, and orientation. The settings panel is intuitive, so don't hesitate to experiment until you achieve the exact look you're envisioning. This practical application allows for both regular and irregular hexagonal arrangements, perfectly adaptable to any design need. And there you have it. With a few simple steps using Figma and the off-grid plugin, you've successfully created a hexagonal grid. This grid can now serve as a novel and eye-catching background or layout element in your design projects. Feel free to customize further, adding colors or textures as your project requires. I hope this guide was helpful and you're now more comfortable incorporating unique grid-based designs into your work. If you have any questions or would like to see more content like this, let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy designing.